This conference will now be recorded.
Like, sir, is it necessary to learn shortcut keys? In Excel, some shortcut keys are there. Tally, some shortcut keys are there. Like even SAP also, we have some shortcut keys. Let we understand one by one. First one, F1. Help. F2. Confirmation. F3. Previous session or page. F4. Open pop-up window. F5. New entries. F6. Copy as. F7. Next entry. F7. Next entry. F8. Execute. F12. Cancel. Control yes. Save. Control tab. Position. Tab. 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 Position. In bracket. Search or find. Search or find. Control N. New session. What are those? F1 help. F2 confirmation. F3 previous session or page. F4 open pop-up window. F5 new entries. F6 copy as. F7 next entry. F8 execute. F12 cancel. So control yes save. Control tab position. In general we choose search or find. Control N new session. These are the various shortcut keys which we use regularly in real time. What's that? Regularly in real time. Next, heading. Enterprise structure. Definitions. Enterprise structure.
Excuse me, sir.
Definitions. Yes, Ashish.
Sir, from a shortcut key you started or any other page?
No, shortcut key only.
Okay.
So I started the session today by shortcut keys.
Okay,
Right.
sir. Okay.
Now the next component, enterprise structure definitions. Guys, some of the people they used to call organization structure. Some people they used to call enterprise structure. Both are same. Better to mention enterprise structure or organization structure. Organization structure. That one by one. First one, define company. Explains naming the company under Registered or Global Companies Act. I repeat, explains naming the company under Registered or Global Companies Act. So, global word we use Registered Companies Act, but some of the people they choose to call Global Companies Act. Like, for example, ICICI, HDFC, HSBC, basically they do business operations globally. IKEA, they do business operations globally. Flight Airlines, they do business operations globally. They register under Registered or Global Companies Act. Sir, all my companies located in India, then I follow Indian Companies Act. So, for example, DMart, only in India, Indian Companies Act. So, IKEA, worldwide, they register under Global Companies Act. Almost all SAP companies, they do business operations more than one country. So they register under Global Companies Act. What's that? Global Companies Act. Next, second one. Edit, copy, delete, check, company code. Customize, client located, subsidiary companies. What's that? Client located, subsidiary companies. So in accounting, we used to call parent company and subsidiary company. In SAP, we used to call edit, copy, delete, check company code. Example, TCS, Tesco, Tata Insurance, Air India, Zudio, Bisleri, etc. So these are the various subsidiaries under Tata Group. So these are the various subsidiaries under Tata Group, right? Next, third one, financial management area. Explains company functions like manufacturing, production, administration, services, sales, etc. And which integrates finance and budgetary control, which we create individual company wise. Yes, Basha, leave one page and make a note of this. So first I completed a shortcut case and an organization structure I mentioned, define company, edit, copy, delete. Now we are discussing the third one, financial management area. Next, which we create individual company. The other word of individual means each and every subsidiary company. The other word of individual is each and every subsidiary company. Note, financial management area which integrates controlling, budgetary control. So without budget, can we run organization? No, right? If you want to do anything, budget is mandatory. Where we configure that budget? Under financial management area. In SAP, we used to call FM area. In controlling, we used to call budgetary control. Next, define segment. What's the next one? Define segment. Explains client manufacturing product, for reporting. Client manufacturing product for reporting. Example. Tata Cars, Tata Spares, Tata Iron and Steel, etc. So in accounting, we used to call stock report, right? What is stock report? What are the raw materials? What are the semi-finished goods? What are the finished goods, right? In SAP, we used to call segment. What is segment? Client manufacturing product. Here, my client manufacturing cars, my client manufacturing spares, Tata Iron, Tata Steel. These are my material. Clear? In SAP, we used to call segment. Next one. For reporting, for reporting, we activate business area, comma, consolidation business area, comma, cost center, and profit center. See, what are the four reporting schedules? Business area, consolidation business area, cost center, profit center. Note, in accounting, we will generate audited financial statement. What's the meaning of audited financial statement? Trading and P&L account, balance sheet, right? Which explains trading account, comma, profit or loss account, and balance sheet. Balance sheet. So next line, profit or loss account. profit or loss. Under profit or loss, what are the schedules we have? Is equal to profit or loss is equal to revenues, expenses. Revenues, expenses. These two under P&L account. That is not heading, that is a line item. Next, balance sheet. So guys, balance sheet is a statement or account? Statement. Balance sheet, statement. What is balance sheet? What all the points comes under balance sheet? Liability is equal to asset. Mention liability is equal to asset. So liability is equal to asset. So always says balance sheet is a tallified. What is tallified? So our liabilities are 1 crore, assets also 1 crore. But in P&L account, if company get profit, we add balance to capital. If company get loss, we reduce the capital balances. So that we used to call audited financial statement. What's that? Audited financial statement. So what all the reports we generate? In accounting, in general accounting, system generate trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. But even SAP also we generate that. Along with that, I need some external reporting. What are the reports? I want to know location wise report. I want to know region wise report. I want to know country wise report. I want to know product wise report. I want to know segment wise report. I want to know division wise report. So various reportings will generate. For that, we used to run some components. In that first one, define business area. Explains run business operations. Example, Tata Motor Hyderabad location. Next line, Tata Motor Chennai location. Chennai. Next line, Tata Motor Bangalore location. For example, Tata Motor has 3 different locations. What are the 3 locations? One location Chennai, second location Hyderabad, third location Bangalore. Bangalore. So client said he want to generate location wise report. How many cars which they sell in Hyderabad location and Bangalore location and Chennai location. So business area report. Business area report. Next one. Second point. Consolidation business area. To generate group report. Like so what are the 3 locations? First one, Tata Motor Hyderabad. Hyderabad comes under which region? Telangana. One by one. Tata Motor Telangana. Next line. Tata Motor Chennai. Chennai comes under which region? Tamil Nadu region. What's the third location? Bangalore. So Tata Motor Karnataka. Sir, in Hyderabad I have 10 locations. In Hyderabad I have 10 locations. So before we create Tata Motor Hyderabad, in that Hyderabad we mention all Hyderabad locations one by one. So in consolidation, How many locations in Hyderabad? 10 locations. In consolidation business area, which it generates entire Telangana report, entire Tamil Nadu report, entire Karnataka report. Clear? So that is consolidation business area. Nothing but sales group reporting. I want to know state-wise report. So Telangana wise, how many cars which is sell? Karnataka wise, how many cars which is sell? Tamil Nadu wise, how many cars which is sell? So region wise report. Before which it generate location in Hyderabad Amirpet, how many cars which is sell? Hyderabad Kokatpalli, how many cars which is sell? Hyderabad High Tech City, how many cars which is sell? Location wise generate report. So consolidation means entire state-wise report. Entire state-wise report. Third point, cost center. Cost centers are the organization unit. Yes, Basha, please relog in. It shows you're in offline. I repeat, cost centers are the organization unit within a controlling area that represents a location where cost incur. Cost incur. Incur means expenditure. Where cost spent based on functional related payment, settlement related, activity related, region, section, department, and responsibility related. Responsibility related. To monitor plan or actual values, standpoint, where cost is captured. So next line, plan value is equal to yearly value. Next line, actual value monthly value. Example, employee monthly salary 2 lakhs. What's that? Employee monthly salary 2 lakhs. So basically employee comes under which department? Administration department. Next line, department is equal to administration. Right? Next, actual value 2 lakhs. In bracket, is it plan value or actual value? Actual value means monthly payment. Monthly payment. Plan value. What's the plan value? 2 lakh into 12. 2 lakhs into 12 is equal to 24 lakhs. Right? So as of company and employee commitment, so company they used to pay monthly 2 lakhs. In their budget, they allocate 12 into 2, 24 lakhs. Right? But no one company not to release 24 lakh at a time. So in their plan value, they allocate 24 lakhs, but they used to release on monthly payment. So monthly 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is the actual value. Note. For every expenditure, we maintain plan and actual values. Example, salary paid, rent paid, power expenses, telephone expenses, etc. So can we say these are indirect expenses? Yes, in P&L account debit side we mentioned salaries paid, rent paid, power expenses, telephone expenses. For this expenditure, what we do? We maintain plan value and we maintain actual values. So at the time, which one? Cost center come to the picture. I want to know. So I want to know keen expenditure value. Keen expenditure value. So now don't write, just see the one. Here, Vishwanath monthly salary 3 lakhs. Can Vishwanath work in only one project? I'm working in TCS company, right? But I used to work only in one project. Fine. Let me expand. Vishwanath monthly salary 3 lakhs. He works in two projects. One implementation, one support. In implementation, how much percentage we should allocate? 80% of portion allocated in implementation, 20% of portion allocated in support. Right? So 3 lakhs into 80 percentage. 2,40,000 for implementation and 60,000 for support. Fine. Can I release entire 3 lakh from project 1? If I say as 60,000 profit to project 1, 60,000 loss to 60,000 loss to project 1, 60,000 profit to project 2. Because I work 80% of project 1, 20% of project 2. Fine. Can I say 50-50? No. Means, but as as account executive, he passed the entry salaries paid to bank. Vishnu salary paid to bank 3 lakhs. But system derive the line item split of multiple line items. Like Vishnu salary paid 3 lakhs to project 1 2 lakh 40,000. So in bracket 80 percentage. And project 2 60,000. So how much value? 20 percentage. So here project 1 one department, project 2 one department, Vishnath under administration department, accounting says either that is profit or loss, either revenue or expenditure based on the system generated balance sheet. But I want to know where actual spend, right? So here what are the actual spends? How much percentage which employee works in project 1 and project 2? So that is cost center. That is the actual importance of cost center. Next, and guys, put star mark for cost center. Cost center is one interview question. Cost center is one interview question. Next one, profit center. Profit center. Evaluate profit or loss of individual in bracket each and every subsidiary company comma independent area. Independent area in bracket plant or project wise report. Project wise report. Nice. See here, I chose example Hyderabad TCS. In Hyderabad TCS, 10 projects are there, right? So end of the day, that uh, the accountant said, so we get 10 lakh profit. What's that profit? 10 lakh. So can I say 10 lakh divided by 10 projects? 10 lakh divided by 10 projects means for every project they get 1 lakh profit. Means first of all, we have to know out of 10, what all the projects are related to implementation, what all the projects are related to support, what all the projects are related to rollout. And in project 1, how many employees are working? Project 2, how many employees are working? Project 3, how many employees are working? Because we never say every project maintain 15 members or 20 members. So if it is support, 2 to 3 members work. Rollout, 5 to 6 members work. Implementation, 40 to 50 member work. Depend on the project, size of the project. But as the admin says, end of the day, we get 10 lakh profit in Hyderabad location. But how many projects? 10 projects. Clear? Right. In this case, I want to know each and every project wise profit and loss. As accounting, which it generate entire company P&L account. Means Hyderabad TCS P&L account. Bangalore company TCS report. But I want to know each and every project wise P&L account. Then only I actually spend. Like, for example, company in Hyderabad, TCS company get 10 lakh profit. 10 lakh profit. In that, the expenditure cost is 5 lakhs. The expenditure cost is 5 lakhs. Right. Can I say 5 lakh divided by 10 companies, 10 projects? As a profit, 10 lakh divided by 10 projects. Even expenditure also we do the same, right? Even expenditure also what we do? 5 lakh expenditure divided by how many companies? How many projects? 10 projects. Why you say no? Why? Because, for example, in project 1, 10 employees are working. In project 2, only 2 employees are working. In project 3, again 5 employees are working. Project 4, 30 employees are working. Right. So can we say equal expenditure for 2 employee and 30 employee? No. At that time, what we do? We used to derive how many employees in the project. So like the 5 lakh divided by total number of employees. So for example, total employees costing 150. 150 employees together, all 10 subsidiary plants means projects in Hyderabad subsidiary company. In that case, how to do? You know the actual expenditure value. What's the expenditure value? 5 lakh divided by how many number of employees? 150. Then you know what's the actual project cost. Actual project cost. Like see here, 5 lakhs divided by 150. So for every employee, the spend value is 3,333. 3,333. So in project 2, how many employees are working? 2 employees are working. So 6,667 is the expenditure cost for project 2. So 30 employees are there in one project. 30 into 3,333, right? So likewise, altogether value 5 lakhs. Altogether value 5 lakhs. Sir, fine. You said expenditure, you derive expenditure, number of employees. But what about the profit nature? Why you are not spending profit nature for each and every employee wise? Why? Because the percentile job cost may vary project to project. For example, if you apply as a 3 years experience consultant, in one project they pay monthly $3,000. So other project they may $3,500 or $4,000 for the same 3 years experience. But expenditure is a common expenditure to all. Expenditure is a common expenditure to all. I give one example. I take two projects, project X, project Y. Project X, so they pay per employee salary per month $3,000 for 3 year experience. Irrespective, either that is 80 rupee or 85 rupee, that is a different factor. So here we have to discuss on dollar base. So per employee per month, how much? $3,000, right? In X project. In Y project, for the same 3 years experience, so they pay $4,000 per month, right? But for $3,000, company pay to employee $1,000, and for $4,000, company pay to employee $1,500, right? The rest of the thing, profit margin to the company. Profit margin to the company, because no one client not to pay employee directly. Client pay to company, company pay to employee. Client pay to company, company pay to employee. Right. First project $3,000. $3,000 client pay to company. But client pay to employee how much? $1,000. The second project $4,000 client pay to company. In that company pay to employee $1,500. Right? Profit margin always vary client to client. But the expenditure they is to maintain per employee. The total expenditure cost divided by number of employees. That is cost center. For profit generation, we maintain profit center. Profit center. For easy understanding, DMart. End of the day, they said 10 lakh profit. Can we say every product we get profit? No. Why? Because majority of DMart product is FMCG. What's the meaning of FMCG? Fast moving consumable good, right? So I want to know what's the actual profit per day. I said actual profit per day. What's the meaning of actual profit? Whenever they get profit by end of the day, in that profit minus the day damage cost. Because damage cost bear by company only. That is pure company loss. So they said 10 lakh profit. 10 lakh minus the per day damage cost. For example, per day damage cost 2 lakh rupee. So 10 lakh is the profit per day, 2 lakh is damage. So, sir, how they said profit? End of the day, what's the nature of DMart? Buying and selling of goods and services. They sell product to customer. End of the day, they generate balance sheet. In the balance sheet, expenditure minus revenue, right? Revenue minus expenditure, they get profit. How much profit? 10 lakh profit. Afterwards only the stock team, they remove the damage cost, right? So by end of the day, means by closing the shutter, that time how much profit they get? 10 lakhs. Afterwards only the stock team, they identify the damage cost. What's the damage cost? 2 lakhs. 10 lakh minus 2 lakh. So the day actual profit is 8 lakh only. 8 lakh only. Agree? So, sir, I don't want to calculate damage cost. So if you don't want to calculate damage cost, the damaged product which you sell to any customer, that is not possible in practical. So there is an option, you have to reduce your profit. So 10 lakh your day profit minus the damage cost is equal to actual profit, is equal to actual profit. Clear? The actual profit 8 lakh is the right, that comes under profit center. That comes under profit center. So in accounting balance sheet, P&L account says day wise they get 10 lakh profit. Afterwards, we reduce the damage cost. So when profit center clearly says in Hyderabad DMart location, I mean, for example, Hyderabad, like Amirpet DMart location, DMart, 8 lakh profit. So Kokutapalli DMart, 10 lakh profit. So High Tech City DMart, 20 lakh profit. Excluding after excluding all damage, etc., everything, the profit. Clear? That is who will guide you? Profit center will guide you. And second thing, in DMart, some textile is there, some crockery items is there, some like silver items are there, some puja items are there, multiple categories are there, cookies are there. I want to know only textile profit and loss. I want to know only cookies profit and loss. I want to know only puja store profit and loss. I want to know electronic item P&L account. Sir, finance we generate P&L account. That is entire DMart P&L account. That is finance entire DMart P&L account. But your client requirement, he need only textile P&L account. He need only crockery items P&L account. He need only electronic item P&L account. Clear? Profit center will guide you. Sir, what's the actual importance of profit center? Like, for example, I chose two different locations, one Amirpet location, one Kokutapalli location. In Amirpet, cookies out of 100, the sale value is 10 packets. The sale value is 10 packets. In Kokutapalli, the same brand, the sale value is 60 percentage. 60 percentage. In Amirpet, how much percentage? 10 percentage. In Kokutapalli, how much percentage? 60 percentage. Fine. In next month, company, they're ready to invest. Can I invest Amirpet or Kokutapalli? Why? 60%. Right? The whole stock is only 40 only. Then what they do? They update new stock and first they mention old stock and they update the new stock. Right? Fine. Second month also they do top up. Second month also Amirpet 10 percentage, Kokutapalli 20 percentage. Third month also top up. Amirpet 10 percentage, Kokutapalli 60 percentage. Basically, cookies comes under FMCG. What about the fourth month? Every month you top up 10, 10, 10 in Amirpet location. In first month 10, sale value is 10. How many hold stock? 90. Next month what you do? You again top up 10. Right? Again the whole stock is 90. Again third month also you top up 10. The whole stock is 90. Fourth month, the 90% whole stock is there. This is totally damage. Definitely that is a damage. Who will bear the damage cost? Location only will bear the damage cost. Here SAP will guide you. So the Amirpet location, the whole stock is 90. Instead of investing new, internal transfer from Amirpet location DMart to Kokutapalli location DMart. Instead of investing. So in that case, there is no whole stock, there is no damage. So compared to new investment, getting more profits. Getting more profits. Clear? Who will guide you? Controlling will guide you. If not, they keep on updating. They keep on updating. Like the best example, I want some X medicine. I approached some, what to say, MedPlus. The person said, sir, in my store, the product is not available. Better, why can't you search in Kokutapalli location or High Tech City location? In that particular location, the stock is available because they maintain a central database system. So here, two things are there. They won't lose the customer and they don't lose their repo. Right? Repo means, so if they said simply stock not available, definitely customer go to some other place. So they simply lose the customer, they simply lose the repo. Right? That's the policy. Who will guide you means controlling will guide you, especially profit center. The actual importance of cost center and profit center. Cost center and profit center. Hope everyone understand. So these are the various abbreviations. What are the things? Define company, parent company, edit, copy, delete, subsidiary company. So functional area, FM area, segment. For reporting, we maintain business area, location wise report, consolidation, region wise report, cost center, department wise report, profit center, plant or project wise report. Plant or project wise report. So these are the various definitions under enterprise structure. Tomorrow class, we will learn practical, how to create parent company, how to create subsidiary company, so how to create locations. So tomorrow we will discuss the thing practical. So please check management, they will provide server access. For tomorrow class, server is mandatory. Clear? Right. So now questions please, one by one. Yes, Ashish, any questions? Basha has some network issue, I guess. Yes, classroom people, no questions. So for this, we run four different methods are there. Repost cost, repost controlling line item, assessment cost, planning primary cost. We just input the parameter based on the system automatically allocate the structure. That's so those are the sub methods under cost center. Sub methods under cost center. So basically 90% of clients they maintain assessment cost. So whenever we run assessment cost, we clearly mention, for example, client has three projects like project X, project Y, project Z. So project X 40%, project Y 30%, project Z 30%. So whenever employee posts like salaries paid 10 lakhs, system automatically split off project X 4 lakhs, project Y 3 lakhs, project Z 3 lakhs. Sir, in Tally also, yes, in Tally also we do the same, but we manually pass the entry. Like project X 4 lakhs debit, project Y debit 4 lakhs, project Z 4 lakhs, I mean, sorry, 3 lakhs to salary payable 10 lakhs. So in Tally or general accounting application, we manually pass the entry. But in SAP, like whenever the employee, I mean, end user pass the entry, salaries paid debit to salary payable, system automatically split. So project X 4 lakhs, project Y 3 lakhs, project Z 3 lakhs. Automatically allocate choosing assessment cost. Choosing assessment cost. At the time of aspect, I just show the thing practically. Everyone. Clear? That. So for example, DMart, so many employees are working. So it's not possible to enter manually, like employee A salary, B salary, C salary. So we prepare one template and run the application. So whenever end user pass the entry salary is paid to salary payable, system automatically pay employee salary. Pay employee salary. So we never enter manually. That's sir in Tally, there is an option like this. We manually enter each and everything. So employee name, salary paid, everything to bank. That's right. Yes. Any questions, please? All right. Thank you all.